Today, we're taking a closer look at the all-new 2025 VW id.buzz 3-row, a spacious and stylish electric minivan that's sure to turn heads. Exterior: the id.buzz 3-row is a modern take on the classic VW bus. It features a boxy design with rounded edges, a large windshield, and a panoramic sunroof. The front tent is dominated by a large VW logo, and the sides feature horizontal taillights. The id.buzz 3-row is available in a variety of colors, including two-tone options. Interior: the id.buzz 3-row's interior is just as spacious as its exterior. The front seats are comfortable and supportive, and there's plenty of legroom for passengers in the second and third rows. The cargo area is also spacious, and there are plenty of storage compartments throughout the cabin. Technology: the id.buzz 3-row comes standard with a 10-inch touchscreen infotainment system that's compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. There's also a digital instrument cluster and a variety of driver assistance features, including lane departure warning and automatic emergency braking. Performance: the id.buzz 3-row is powered by an electric motor that produces 223 horsepower and 265 pound-feet of torque. It has a range of 258 miles on a single charge and can be charged from 10% to 80% in just 30 minutes using a DC fast charger. The 2025 VW id.buzz 3-row is a stylish, spacious, and practical electric minivan that's perfect for families and road trips. With its long range, quick charging capabilities, and advanced technology, the id.buzz 3-row is a true contender in the electric vehicle market. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more electric vehicle content. Video